What's up, y'all? Power Washing Pro GA. I'm here at a client's house that actually called to see if we can clean their driveway again because someone that they called didn't do a very good job. So they called us to see if we can clean it. But let me show you this. Check this out. This is brand new concrete, and obviously a rookie came here and did this. Literally, the top coat of this brand new concrete is done. What do you guys think? What are your recommendations to fix this, other than top dressing it again, getting the builder to top dress it? I don't know. Give me your thoughts. I'm not a concrete guy. We clean it all day. Can read it too. Y'all let me know. Peace.